1 tomato and crab, 1 beef, 1 halibut. Let's go!
Yes, chef. Nothing now, chef. Max.
Hustle, hustle, hustle! Where's the beef?
4 minutes, chef.
Chef, I need something fresh. Pan. The pan. If it's not perfect, it doesn't go out. Remember that. And still waiting on 2 beef. This beef is over. Go again on the beef. How long now on the task time? Thank you, chef. Strong dish. It looks great.
Good day?
It's been alright actually. This looks great.